So my vision for what's going to happen today is that we are going to take Murph for a test drive.
Yeah, this is where the oil can goes.
Ask Matt if he knows what that tool is called.
This is a file.
It is. Now, what's your heritage, Matt?
German.
Right. Do you know what we call that? The German milling machine.
That looks cool.
Oh, yeah.
We're on day 12 of the 10-day Jeep restoration. Realistically, it's more like 14 months later. Were you a good boy this year?
Of course.
Give me a little light in here, brother, so I don't... Ready, Pat? Let's go.